Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to show battery percentage on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to Settings, and after that, go to Battery. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is no battery percentage in our battery icon. So to activate it, you have just to go to the option called battery percentage and click on it. And as you can see, the battery percentage now is available in our icon on the top right of the screen. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.